Hello friends, welcome back to Vanakkam Germany. Today's video is all about the German pension system. Regardless of the citizenship, most of the people in Germany automatically contribute into the German pension system. Here, the employer and employee split this contribution and pay into the German pension system. If you are not an EU citizen and have contributed less than a certain period of time, you have an option to claim back a part of your contributions when you are living Germany. In today's video, let's look into the requirements and process to claim back the German pension fund. If you are ready, come, let's get started. For the people who are not aware about me, myself Balaji. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular updates about Germany, do not forget to subscribe this channel. Before going deep into the topic, let's understand the basics of the German pension system. The German pension system is supported by three pillars. The first one is the statutory pension insurance system, which is also called as the public insurance system. And the second one is the company pension. In German, it's called as betriebliche Altersvorsorge. And the last one is supported by the private companies, which is called, in German, it's called the private Altersvorsorge. The basic and very important building block for the retirement is the public pension system in Germany. All the employees and some group of self-employed peoples are compulsorily insured by the law. For the year 2020, the premium is 18.6%, and this contribution is split between the employers and the employees. 9.3 by the employer and 9.3 by the employees. By the end of 2025, this contribution will be increased to 20%. If you have worked and paid contributions for more than 60 months, you will receive the German pension after reaching the official German pensionable age. By the end of 2029, this German pension age will be increased to 67 years. For the people who have been contributing for more than 60 months, they will be receiving a letter from Deutscherentenversicherung after 60 months, and they will receive this letter every year, which mentions how much money you will be receiving at the age of 67 during your retirements. According to the article 210 in the 6th book of the Social Gazettes book, if you are not an EU citizen and you have not contributed to the German pension system more than 60 months, then you might qualify for a refund for your contributions. However, there might be some conditions depending upon the social agreement made between your country of residence and Germany. The social agreement is made between many countries and India is one of them. If you want to read about the social agreement, you can download this document from the Deutscherentenversicherung website. I will be attaching this link for your reference in the description. Kindly make a note, this pension contribution is split equally between the employer and the employee. Since you have not contributed to the German pension system more than 60 months, you cannot claim back the employer's contribution, rather only the employee's contribution. That means only half of the contribution can be claimed back. What are the requirements to get the German pension fund? According to the regulation EEC 1408/71 Article 10, which states that one cannot claim the German pension fund as long you are a resident in Europe. Then there is a 2-year waiting period which starts only when you leave the EU region. Later, you have to submit the documents to the Deutscherentenversicherung in Germany. And this process takes on an average around 4 to 8 weeks depending upon the situation. The next requirements: a non-EU citizen must have not worked for Germany or did any kind of compulsory contributions to the German pension system for the minimum of 24 months. The applicant must not be in the European region at the time of the application. These are the two important requirements for getting the German pension refund. How to apply for the German pension refund? The application process is straightforward and it's not so complex, but I still recommend you to collect all the required documents when you're currently residing in Germany so that you're prepared for the application. The following documents must be sent to the Deutscherentenversicherung. The first document is V0901, Antrag auf Beitragerstattung für die Aufenthalte in Ausland. This document is mainly meant to claim for the contributions when you are residing outside Germany. Second document is your passport and other supporting documents like your utility bills or bank statement. Next one is the Lohnsteuerbescheinigung, which you will be received from your employer at the end of every year. Next one is the Meldebescheinigung for the Sozialversicherung. This will also be sent by your employer. Next one is the copy of the Abmeldung. This Abmeldung document, when you are leaving the country permanently, you have to deregister in the nearest Rathaus. Then they will be giving a certificate. This is called the Abmeldebescheinigung. Once the waiting period of 2 years is over, collect all this document and visit your local embassy and check out if any kind of additional documents must be done at this moment. Normally, it won't be the case because all the important documents have been mentioned in this website, but still try to cross-check with your local embassy. After successful submission of the above documents to the Deutscherentenversicherung, you will be receiving a letter to your current residence within the period of 4 to 8 weeks. If your country have any kind of social agreement with Germany, you can add up your German pension amount to your current country's pension system, which will help you to get more benefits at your retirement age. If not, you can also inform them, the German government, to reimburse your social contributions immediately. If you have any query regarding your application, you can still mail them and inquire about the status of your application. The email address is mentioned in the description. Please have a look into it. If you have paid contributions for more than 60 months, then you cannot claim for a refund. Rather, you can receive a monthly pension during the German retirement age. I hope I've given a good information for you people. If you still have any kind of queries regarding the application process, please do leave a comment. We will try to help you out. If you find this video useful, please do like and share to your friends. Let them also get benefited. I will see you next interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam Germany, Balaji.